Hey gamers, are you facing the DXGI ERROR device hung issue while playing Marvel Spider-Man 2? This error is usually related to display driver crashes and can be easily fixed. Stay with me, and let's get this solved so you can enjoy your game without interruptions. Let's dive in. An outdated or corrupted graphics driver is the most common cause of this error. Here's how to update it. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, open GeForce Experience, go to Drivers, and check for updates. If you have an AMD GPU, open AMD Adrenalin software and update your driver from there. If you prefer manual updates, visit the official NVIDIA or AMD website and download the latest driver for your graphics card. If you've overclocked your GPU or CPU, it may cause instability. Try disabling overclocking by resetting your GPU settings to default using MSI Afterburner or AMD Wattman, entering your BIOS and setting your CPU, GPU frequencies to stock values. High graphics settings can stress your GPU and lead to crashes. Try these adjustments: lower texture quality, ray tracing, and shadows. Set VSync to on to stabilize FPS. Run the game in windowed or borderless mode to reduce stress on your GPU. Sometimes, Windows runs out of virtual memory, causing this error. Here's how to increase it. Open Control Panel greater than System greater than Advanced System Settings. Go to the Performance section and click Settings. Under the Advanced tab, click Change in the Virtual Memory section. Set initial size and maximum size to at least 8 GB 8190 to megabytes or higher. Click Apply and restart your PC. Apps running in the background can interfere with the game. Close unnecessary apps like Discord, MSI Afterburner, RivaTuner, and Chrome. Disable Steam and Discord overlays from their settings. If updating drivers didn't work, perform a clean installation. Download Display Driver Uninstaller DDU. Run it in safe mode and remove your GPU drivers completely. Restart your PC and install the latest driver from NVIDIA, AMD's official website. Corrupt game files can also cause this error. To verify them, Steam, go to Library greater, then right-click Marvel's Spider-Man to greater, then Properties greater, then Installed Files greater, then Verify integrity of game files. Epic Games, go to Library greater, then click 3 dots on Spider-Man to greater, then Verify. Download and install the latest directs from Microsoft's official website. Install the latest Visual C++ Redistributables, both x86 and x64, to fix missing dependencies. And that's it. These fixes should help resolve the DXGI ERROR device hung issue in Marvel Spider-Man 2. If this guide helped you, drop a like and share it so others can fix their game too. Any questions? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.